Hello, welcome to my Sunday front. So today I'm trying this truffle dip, jalapeno truffle dip. But I got a recipe for you guys. But I'm just gonna put some crackers on a plate, and I'm gonna put some of this Forelli sauce. This is like an Italian hot sauce. Just put some on, and then I'll just put some this sauce right over it. Just like that. I want to taste it. This is good. This is let's see who makes this. It says Gourmet Line truffle dip. Gourmet Line. It's $2.99 for this little, and this one is about $7. It's under $7, I think. This Forelli. This one's like Calabrian and mushroom hot sauce. They're good together. It's not that spicy as much as it's flavorful. But anyhow, on with my ingredients for this Tex-Mex chili. I'll show you the spices. So the first thing we got is beef bouillon. We got cilantro, crushed red pepper. I got some garlic, minced garlic, and minced onion. And also, I have a pack of Sours Tex-Mex chili seasoning mix. So a packet of that. And of course I got Rotel. I got one no salt Rotel. It's diced tomatoes with green chili. I got a soup by Pitmaster. It's a Progresso soup, steakhouse style with steak and bean. So these have beans in them. It says it has beef broth, seasoned beef. Let's see what else. It has northern beans, corn, so I think they're white beans. And then tomato paste, red bell pepper, jalapenos, and like fat. Let's see, beef fat, tomato extract, and onion powder, right? Paprika, smoked paprika, parsley, vinegar, chipotle pepper, other spices, and then just regular chili. This is just chili, no beans. So that's what I have so far. The pot is boiling up, so I want to get to it by putting in some beef bouillon. And some of the spices and stuff, get the base going. In goes the beef bouillon, and we'll get all the spices in. Some onion, the chili flakes, garlic, and even the cilantro. was trying to decide whether I wanted the cilantro or not, but we always add the cilantro, so it's going in. And at this point, you can put the rotel in. I don't know if you guys like tomatoes in yours, but for me, the more I cook them down, the better for me. This also has the chili in it. And then we'll add the seasoning packet and the paste will be done. So in goes the tomato. And this, like I said, you can cook it down and let it do its thing. Welcome back. So here we have the tomatoes that got boiled down. That way they're soft and less, you know, prominent in the recipe. You see that? We're not making salsa, we're making chili, guys. So you want to cook them down so they wilt a little bit. And then you can add the mix. And again, this is Tex-Mex chili mix. And you can go ahead and add the whole packet. And give that a stir. And you want to mix it all in until it dissolves. So this is still gonna need a little bit more stirring. And this is a really, really good recipe because you can use this for anything. You can use it for topping, for tacos. You can use it to dip chips in. I mean, chili is versatile. You can eat it with pasta, rice, snack on it. Ooh, those chili peppers are hitting. This smells like grandma's house right here. Let's put this in. Okay, so in goes the soup. So here's the soup. And this one, I'm gonna let that one boil up and get some of that flavor in there, and then we'll dump the chili in and warm the whole thing through. And we are back, and I'm about to put in the last ingredient in this chili. And you can see where we're at. So I'm gonna turn it a little bit so it won't char on the bottom. Because it is soup and it does have a thickening agent. And I do want to turn it down a bit. See if I can scoop some of this out. And give it a good mix. And then we'll get all the pot warmed through, cooked through entirely. We'll get it all mixed up in here. See if it'll reduce some. So I'll just leave it uncovered and see if it'll reduce some and keep it going. and then we will be back to taste it. All right, let's try this chili now that it's finished. So I'll just get this sleeve open of crackers so that way I have something to eat with it. And let's get some in here, like that. Then I'll get a spoon of this chili. One. So here we have it. This is what it looks like. Nice and delicious with chunks of meat. See that? I'll show you. It's got steak and beef. Can you see the difference? And that's how we make our chili. Usually there's tomatoes, beans, steak, and ground beef in there. I know a lot of you guys are probably not used to seeing it, but that's how we make it. There's so much cap online that they know exactly what our ethnic food is, but actually it's nothing like how they think it is it? And I love when they try to correct me about what Texas chili is supposed to look like. It's not like I wasn't born there. You can't fact check them. Let's try it with cracker. That is so good. I love the deep flavors of the beef. And all the spices. This is what it's supposed to look like. You can put corn in there, you can add whatever you want, chilies, onions. But this is what it looks like. Even if you use canned ingredients, you know what I mean? It's a win-win. And thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's on the front. Bye-bye.